So this person is asking about how you can get an annuity to create lifetime income in retirement. And what are the steps? What should you be thinking about? So let's start with this. When you're thinking about your retirement, you really need to have an understanding. What does your life cost you? What kind of expenses are you going to have on a monthly basis? Once you've come up with that figure, that's when you start to think about this, everything with annuities. So you're going to start with your Social Security. How much is it going to pay you a month? So if you have $2,000 in Social Security payment, but your expenses are at $5,000, you have this $3,000 gap in the middle. Are you gonna just like spend on your savings? Do you have other sources of income? Do you have money in the stock market where you're earning interest? Whatever it is, how are you gonna do that? And what some people do is they decide to insure a portion of that $3,000. So when I say insure, that's where I'm talking about getting some sort of an annuity. I usually do it in one of two ways. I usually do it with a SPIA, which is a single premium immediate annuity, or with a fixed index annuity with an income rider. So what you have to do is you have to have a lump sum of savings somewhere. You can't do it based on just wanting to create it. You have to have assets that you can put into these solutions. And then what happens is there's a whole formula, there's math. They determine based on the amount you put in, what kind of income you could create. Are you taking the income immediately? Or are you gonna let that annuity grow for a while before you turn it on? If you do that, you're gonna get more bang for your buck. But if you need it right away, we can figure that out also, what it's gonna be. So the whole point here is that when you're in retirement, if you can create guaranteed income for yourself, there's a lot of statistics out there that people enjoy their retirement better, they feel safer, they sleep at night because they're not worried that they're gonna run out of money or that they're not gonna be able to pay their bills. I certainly can get into more details on SPIAs or fixed index annuities with income riders in another video, but this is where you start thinking about the concept.